Okay, so this is a quick video tutorial on how to get started with Arduino. Our main goal today is to be able to install the software and configure it so that we will be able to just get a very simple program uploaded to the Arduino. To get started, the first thing that we need is the Arduino software, and I've included links in the description below, and so find the one that is correct for your operating system. So I have links for both Windows and Mac, and then click on those links. And that's going to take you to this download page. Now here it'll say, contribute to Arduino software, and you can contribute if you feel like it, but you can really just click just download just to get the software. It is free software, so you don't have to pay for it. It's going to take a few moments to download, and that's okay. Now I'm doing this on a Mac, but if you're doing this on a PC as well, the process should be fairly similar. You'll also notice that we're downloading Arduino 1.8.13. That is the latest version of the software, and so we're going to click on that, and you may need to unzip it in order to install it, but just go through your normal installation process, just depending on your computer. Okay, so at this point I can see that it's opened up here, and this is good, so I'm going to not open that just yet. The other thing we need to do is download a driver that allows our computer to be able to talk to the very specific Arduinos that we're working with. We're working with these Arduino Nanos, and I've found that they work a lot better when we use a driver to talk to them. So similarly before, the link is down in the description, and so you can either click on that or copy and paste it, and that's going to take you to a Google Drive folder, and when you get to that, you can just click download. Okay, once that's downloaded, we'll click here on the installation package, and it's going to be the CH340X installer. And so you'll just need to kind of follow through the installation process on here. Click install. Okay, and it says that we're going to need to restart the computer, and so that's okay. Once we're done installing it, we will restart our computer. We'll let that do its work. Okay, and at this point we can see that the installation was successful, and so you're going to want to go ahead and restart your computer, and then when your computer restarts, we'll open up Arduino and see if we were successful. So go ahead and click the restart, and we'll start this video again as soon as we're done. Okay, so once your computer has been restarted, what we're going to do is we're going to go open up the Arduino software, and you want to go find where it got installed. So in mine, it's in my little downloads folder, but yours may be in your application folder. So I'm going to click to open it up, and we're going to give it a second to open up. And at this point, what we want to do is we can go ahead and plug in our Arduinos, and so they'll plug into your computer via USB. And the very first time you're opening up Arduino, you may notice that it may take a second just to start up, but this should only happen on the very first time that you open up the Arduino software. So we'll give that just a quick second to finish getting itself set up, and then we'll work on the configuration and making sure that we can program the Arduino. As a reminder, if you get stuck on any of these steps, please do come into the lab either tonight or on Tuesday night, and either get me or one of the lab assistants to help you get set up. Sometimes things can look a little bit different on your computer, and so if you're having any issues, again, don't hesitate to come by and get some help. So it's going to say, are we sure we want to open it? We definitely do. And so again, it'll take just a second. We can see that it's starting to open itself up here. Okay, and here it is. So we'll talk a lot about what's going on here, but what you should do in the meantime is we're going to go ahead and go up to Tools, and we're going to double check a couple of things. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to look at where it says Board, and we're going to hover over it and go to this Arduino AVR boards. And by default, Arduino Uno may be selected, and that's one that we work with a lot. But for today, we're going to be working with the Arduino Nano. And so you want to click on that to make sure that it is selected. And you can kind of double check that there. The other thing that you want to do is you want to check the port that it's connected to. And so if you go to Tools and go to Port, if you're on a Mac, then you may see kind of multiple options here. The thing that we want to be looking for is something that maybe says, WCH USB serial and has a bunch of numbers here. So if you see that on a Mac, then that's okay. If you're on a PC, this may list what are called COM ports, C-O-M, and so you may see COM3 or COM4 or COM5, and usually a good option is to pick just the highest numbered COM port that you have and select that. At this point, what we're going to do is we're going to click this little upload button, and this is going to try connecting to our Arduino and just uploading this little bit of code here. This doesn't really do anything, but this is just going to make sure that we can, in fact, program our Arduino. So I'm going to hover over this little arrow that says upload, and I'm going to click on it, and you'll see it says compiling sketch and uploading. And if you get this done uploading message right here, then you are in good shape and ready for the lab on Wednesday. So again, if you follow those steps, hopefully you'll be in good shape. Please remember to bring the Arduinos with you on Wednesday. And if you have any issues, please don't hesitate to reach out and let me know. And that's it.